Hello guys, welcome to this video. Here in this video I'm going to teach you how you can send hundreds or thousands of email for free. So are you an affiliate marketer or do you run an email campaign and you have been finding it difficult to send thousands of bulk SMS to your audience? Okay. Or have you been paying a lot of money to do this? Then relax, because in this video you're going to learn how to do it for free. Not only that you are learning it for free, but you are going to do it with your phone. You don't need laptop, only with your Android phone, then you are good to go. Alright guys, before we go into the detail of this video, I'll have to make a request from you. If it is your first time to see my video or you derive value in what I'm doing, please subscribe to this channel and drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching me from so that the next video I'm going to drop, I'm going to consider you. If you do not know anything to tell me, okay, tell me. So in order to do this guys, the first thing you need to do is there is apps that you need to download in your phone. One of those apps is MS Word. You have to download this in your phone, and also you have to download or check if your phone have a Microsoft Outlook. If you have these two apps, then you're good to go. So first thing is you need to have an email list. That is, you need to have the list of people already subscribed to you, that you have their emails that you wish to send this message to. If you do not have such list, I have a video in my channel where I taught how to get this email list online. It is easy, it is simple. You can check this video that I'm displaying here so that you will learn how you can get email of any of your desired audience, be it US, UK. So if you do not have an email list, then you can go there and get a lot of email as much as you wish, then come back to this. But if you have an email list, okay, you are good to go. So first thing you have to do is you have to go and copy your email. So let me copy my email. Let me get my email. I think mine is in my WhatsApp. I have somewhere in my WhatsApp. So this is my email list, and I will need to copy this. Okay, I copy this. So now that I have copied my email list, then the next thing I have to do is I need to go to Microsoft Word. Okay, if you go to Microsoft Word, then you open a new document. Microsoft Word, open. Sorry. You come to here in Microsoft Word, then you open a new document. This is a new document, and you paste the email list you have with you. You paste it in the Microsoft Word. Okay, why are we coming in the Microsoft Word? So guys, when you paste your email in a MS Word, when you look at this email list here, you notice each of the mail is just a different line, and what we are pasting it here is for us to put it in Outlook format. So for us to put it in the Microsoft Outlook format, each of this email need to have a semicolon at the end of it. That is, like, for instance, you see this particular email here. Okay, you see this 4rgmates@gmail.com should have a semicolon before this Andrew, so this is it. So for us to do it, we have to set that through Microsoft Word. That's the reason why we are bringing our email to Microsoft Word. So just watch closely so that you will understand what you are doing here. So the first thing you need to do is you have to come to this place and click, scroll down to find this. Find here at the base, you click on it. Then you come to this place, this find, and you put this sign here, this sign, and you put P. Automatically it's showing you the number of this email, how many emails you have here. So when you look at this, you see 95, which is telling you that the number of email I have here is 95 email addresses. So what we are going to do now is we'll go to this setting here. You click on this setting again and come to this place, click on this replace. When you click on replace, then you put it here, replace with semicolon. When you put replace with semicolon, then you select this all. Automatically your 95 email has been replaced with semicolon. Okay, all of them has been replaced with semicolon. So once you have done this, okay, the next step is for you to copy this email's address, just this format. You copy all of them, select all, and copy. Okay, when you copy, then you go to your Microsoft Outlook. You come to your Microsoft Outlook, you open your Microsoft Outlook. Okay, then here is to who you are sending this email to. Already in Microsoft Outlook, you need to sign in with email address. So my email address is already there, the one I want to use to send this mail. So now to here, you click on this arrow drop down and put it on this BCC. When you put it on BCC, then you paste the email you copied. All those emails we copied, you paste it here. So it is taking time. You just have to wait for a while because this is phone. So definitely it's going to take time, just a little time. Not that it's going to take a long time, but a little time it will take. Okay. Just give it a minute. Soon our email addresses will be here. Just give it a minute. Okay, just give it a minute. Just give it a minute. Okay, now it has come. You see, these are our email addresses. You see, very lively. You see the email addresses we copied. The 95 of them is here, already in this format. Very, very perfect. Very perfect. Okay. Then the next thing you have to do is you come to subject and you put the subject of your email. You know what is subject of your email. Let's say I put let's say this is for tutorial. This is for tutorial. Is the subject, then the body of the email, which is this is all about sending bulk mails with Android phone. Okay, once you know whatever that is this subject of your, what is the subject, your subject. So if you finish the body of your mail, The next thing is for you to just click this send, and automatically you see our email has been sent. See, the email has been sent. So this is just it. It is simple, it is very easy, and you do not have to spend any money doing this. So if you understand what we did and it did add value to you, please, I ask for one thing: do not pay me, but 1 is comment, 2 subscribe to my channel, 3 share. If you do not know anything to tell me, please just say thank you. Okay, and if you have any other video you want me to do in my next video, feel free to drop it here. And also tell me where you're watching me from, so that I will know the next video that I will do. I will know the best video to do, the one that is going to favor you the more. So thank you guys, and remain blessed.